gonna make the Thai beef grilled salad. So this is gonna be the viral menu that you probably see on the internet right now. So today we're gonna have this one is a piece of ribeye. So the first one is like if you don't want to have more salt or whatever, you can just put the salt and pepper for the beef. But for me today, I want to do like a Thai style marinade before we, start to grill. So right now I want the beef soft. I just put a little bit of baking soda, like half 1.4 teaspoon, and a little bit cold water to massage it to make it like soft. Okay, and right now this is gonna be the sauce that I made earlier to marinate. So I will put you guys the recipe. So basically I will put you the guide later. So I just gonna dump all the sauce in. So it smells so good. And then I'm gonna put the oil just to have to lock or like seal those kind of flavor when you grill or whatever. The oil I would say maybe 1 teaspoon or 2 teaspoons, whatever you like. So it's not really exactly. Make sure that I can give it to you. So here we go. We are done to marinate the beef. So we're gonna make it sit maybe 15 to 20 minutes before we grill it, just to make the flavor go into the beef. Okay. Go to the next one. Alright guys, so we're gonna wait for our steak to sit around 10 minutes. So the time that we wait, we're gonna get ready for our sauce. This is gonna be all the vegetable. I would say this one is gonna be optional. I don't know what it called, but I think it's pretty good for the salad. So we're gonna go with chili. Then I'm gonna make sauce, so I'm just gonna put inside here. Let's wait outside. And we're gonna cut the tomato. Garlic is the onion. What is this one? It's called beetroot. Beetroot. I would say. I'm not forgot something. This one is gonna be cilantro. If you have the mint, you can also put the mint, like the leaf of the mint, but we don't have it today, so we're just gonna go what we have. Today I'm gonna try to make my own sauce, so this is not gonna be 100% perfect, okay? So the first thing we're gonna go with sugar. I'm gonna go sugar with 1 tablespoon. MSG, this is optional, you don't need to put it. Just a little bit. This is gonna be lime juice. 2 tablespoons. Let's go with 2.5. And fish sauce, also 2 tablespoons. Let me try. Wow. Actually, this is pretty good. Like, I mean, really perfect. Because we're gonna make this sauce just to put on top of our salad. So I think I'm gonna make it a little bit make it more watering, so I just gonna dump in all the lime juice right here, and maybe add 1 more of the I would say 1 and a little bit, and sugar. So since I'm gonna add half of this one is called 1.5 portion, okay? So for the description that I'm gonna give it to you guys, it's gonna be only 1 like one portion. So if you want more, make it more sauce. So you can make it like time to make it double or 1.5. It just depends on how you gonna make it. Let me try one more time. Wow, 10 out of 10, perfect. I didn't expect that it's gonna be this good. So right now I would say we're gonna cut the steak. I think our steak is pretty good now. I'm not sure if I'm overcooked or no, but yeah, look it up. Wow. I would say the bad thing is you marinate, right, and you fry like this, it's gonna have bạn đánh thật mình thôi. So this is gonna be, I would say, perfect 10 out of 10. So I want to try the piece, like how it is. My god, this is perfect without the steak. I mean without any sauce already. Healthy, so I would say I want to be more healthy. So I will try to get everything with like a salad. Anyway, tomato. See, looks good. Just gonna get the meat, grab it on top of the salad. And I gonna put the onion into the sauce and also cilantro and mix it pretty well. First, I'm gonna put the sauce on top of it. God, you're gonna love this one. Ta-da! It's gonna be Thai beef salad. Perfect.
Thai beef salad.